No prendió. Do not. You need more paper now. You guys are gonna... Pero aviéntalo de cerca. That was not fun. Oh my God. Casi nos quemamos. That was